Hi, my name is Antonio Cangiano, and I'm an engineering manager and AI specialist at IBM. Getting a job in tech these days is not as easy as it used to be. For every position that I post, I get hundreds of resumes. So how are you going to stick out? Well, the best way, in my opinion, is to have a great portfolio of projects that you developed. Sure, having great grades in school will help you, for sure. However, having a strong portfolio tells me that you're a person who is capable of actually building something useful. And that's what employers really want. So how would you go about building this portfolio of projects? One way is to take several guided projects and courses on CognityClass.ai. You can do so for free. You will also receive a certificate of completion. So head over there, figure out what you want to do. Do you want to be a data scientist, data engineer, AI engineer, web developer? Figure it out and then follow the learning paths available there. I wish you the best of luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.